What I really like to do here on the channel is that I want to review and unbox weird, obscure retro game systems and accessories. But there is a store here in the Netherlands called Magic Buttons. I did some reviews for them and the CEO and founder asked me to come to the candy store. Because he said, we have a lot of great stuff that you may be interested in for making reviews. But to begin with, Magic Buttons is not a physical store. You can pick up stuff with an appointment, but it's just pure online shop that has more than 5,000 unique products. But what kind of products? These are just the typical basic stuff that you're going to find in sometimes your local shop. But I think what is really unique about the store that it has a very big variation. For example, we're having figurines, little statues, and also they are having some other unique stuff, like of course the Amiibos, Skylanders, Disney Infinity and other things you can collect. But what I think is really cool with Magic Button, that we're having a lot of import stuff. For example, Super Famicoms. If you're searching for a certain game, I think they will have it because they have so much stuff laying around. If it comes to the Super NES, NES, Famicom, Sega Mega Drive, if you're searching it, I think they will have it. And you just found the most weird peripherals for your PlayStation. So maybe a fun fact that I walked around hours before even recording something, because there's so much that they are having. Beside all the custom pieces that were laying around, there are so many games, and I just wanted to show you what is Magic Button if you're interested in. If you're just going to buy something from them, who is Magic Button and what is the progress behind it? Because you can see a website, but there's a quite big company behind it. Alright, so let's talk about how is the progress with Magic Button. So the first room where I'm standing in here is basically the storage room where everything comes in. Here it's going to get storage before it's going to get checked if it's working and everything is complete. So what you can see that we're having very big piles of GameCubes. We're having so many different systems from Panasonic 3DO. I did find some SNK Neo Geos. The most obscure awesome stuff, it's just here. And some of them you will be seeing on the channel for reviewing. And even if you want to just pick up an old CRT, it's all possible. If it comes to import, you can already see we're having a lot of peripherals for random games. I'm personally a big fan of them. And there are boxes full of stuff. Here we're having a Sony PlayStation 1 console. We have Infinity figures, Skylanders, everything is just here. We're having piles and piles of N64 systems that I still need to check. And sometimes you find these very unique products that I didn't see for many years. They have piles and piles full of controllers that I all need to check out. And this is one of the items I'm going to try out for myself because I want to show you, and we're going to play some tennis. Alright, so in the next step what they are going to do is after they cleaned it, checked it and everything works like a charm, they're going to put, for example, the game system complete in a box with a controller and all the cables so they can put it on the website. But before you're going to do all of that, they have so many systems, everything is ready to go. But before you're going to put it on the website, they are going to need to make it a little picture because as you can see, every game is unique. So in the next step, they are going to make a picture of the product before they are going to put it in the system and in the web shop. Simply because every product is unique and they want to show the condition so that people know what they're going to get. Alright, so the products are ready to get sold. They have a unique picture, they are cleaned, they are knowing that their product is working, so you can just send them out to the new owner. But they need to put them somewhere, so that's what we're going to show you in the next part. But when you're having a lot of stuff, you're going to have a very big storage and a system that supports it. So as you can see, we're having so many unique products. Everything is sorted very nice. They have all these places for putting different games of an alphabetic order. So when I was walking around making some video shorts, I did notice they have so much stuff. And I think if it comes to all the collectible items for the PAL region, for example, they have basically every single system. If it's a handheld like the Game Boy Classic, Game Boy Advance, Color, you name it, they just have it. Alright, so let's take a close look at this side of the storage, and you can see that they're having a lot of different unique items ready up for sale, and they also have an automatic light. Very convenient. PlayStation vertical stand, that's a long time I've seen it, and as you can see here, boxed peripherals. Everything is ready to get sold, and when they have been sold, they can pack it up and send it to the new owner. And here we have a very old school Super Mario lunchbox and some other weird stuff for the Game Boy. And these are the peripherals that I was talking about. Weird obscure stuff, more like this very huge controller with 2 joysticks that we're going to try out in some of the videos in the future. And as you can see here, we even have some very rare Zelda statues. Mad Cat racing wheel, Famicom device with a keyboard that I've personally never seen before. And here we have a PlayStation 3 Sonic Generation Collectible Edition. So we were seeing this very nice looking web shop, but behind the scenes there is a lot of stuff happening and a lot of people working very hard to keep everything in order and sending out the items to you so you can enjoy some awesome retro games. Alright, so I want to give you a little overview of some stuff they are laying around. I try to record as much as possible, but there's so much that can even make a 4-hour video about it. Nevertheless, enjoy! Alright, so I want to thank you for watching. I hope you really enjoyed this video. This more like a kind of vlog about magic buttons and basically what is happening behind the scenes. And with this amount of games, a lot of different products, it's just one big operation. Alright, so and I hope you really like this kind of content, because I wanted to do more reviews of obscure and weird stuff. And as you can see, Magic Button has so many products out there. So I have a lot of stuff to show you here on the channel. Consider subscribing, become one of the Wicked family, and if you're searching for some retro stuff, don't forget to check out the Magic Button webshop. So, thanks for watching, it will be great to have you here, and we'll see you in the next video.